What's the meaning of apple pie order? Apple pie order. Apple pie order.
Apple pie order. Apple pie order. Apple pie order is an idiom that means everything is in perfect order or arranged neatly. Imagine a freshly baked apple pie with the slices perfectly aligned and placed in an orderly fashion. This phrase implies that things are well organized, tidy, and arranged systematically. A place or situation where everything is in apple pie order would be free of clutter and confusion. It suggests a sense of calmness, tidiness, and harmony, where everything is where it should be, making it easy to find what you need.